Hi, I am Michael from Jamaica, and in my head, I have the stock recommendation for your financial independence. With EARTHRENEW, I would like to introduce you to a penny stock that is on its way to becoming a 100-bagger. EARTHRENEW has a unique forward-looking business model that fits perfectly into our ecologically oriented world, man. EARTHRENEW produces a patented organic fertilizer that has almost magical powers. This fertilizer is able to turn soil that has been depleted and poisoned by industrial use or chemical pesticides back into healthy mineral-rich topsoil that yields more crops than ever before. And to top it all off, the heat generated during production is converted into energy, stored and sold as 100% green energy, green electricity to the surrounding communities. Finally, as always, we look at the chart for technically feasible, reasonable entry possibilities. Hey, if this topic interests you, then stay tuned. After the risk disclaimer, we continue. EARTHRENEW is a Canadian company based in Calgary. The company has been tradable on the Canadian Stock Exchange since January 2019. EARTHRENEW has been tradable on the US exchange, otcqb, since the beginning of February 2021. You can read the corresponding trading symbols above me. So, what does EARTHRENEW do? The company itself says the following: our patented thermal processing technology transforms livestock manure into a powerful, all-natural organic fertilizer that promotes plant growth and restores soil health. Our technology applies the exhaust from a natural gas turbine to thermally treat livestock waste, cow manure. Electricity produced by this gas turbine can be sold to offset the majority of our fuel costs, generating economically sustainable, environmentally friendly method of organic fertilizer production. Well, so much for the company's statement. In short, the company produces two products. One is the patented organic fertilizer, Grow ER, or Grower. And the other is 100% green electricity, the sale of which is intended to cover part of the cost of developing, producing, and marketing the fertilizer. A simple, obvious business model that fits our times perfectly. The actual product around which everything revolves, of course, is Grower. This innovative fertilizer is processed into concentrated pellets and filled into bags. The advantages of EARTHRENEW's fertilizer pellets are as follows. First, increasing soil organic matter through a 50% weighing of sum, as sum is a measure of the soil health and fertility. Secondly, the addition of vital minerals that play a crucial role in healthy development of plants. Thirdly, the concentrated pellets result in a slow release of nutrients, which ensure fertilizer applications even beyond the vegetation period, and this in turn ensures 20 to 40% higher crop yields. Fourth, EARTHRENEW's pellet fertilizer is easy to store, easy to transport, and can be applied without the need for costly additional equipment. During the production of Grower, potential pathogens such as E. coli, Salmonella, Mycobacterium, Paratuberculosis, Cryptosporidia, and other food-borne pathogens, even chemicals including pesticides and herbicide residues, are destroyed by our patented thermal bonding processing technology. In collaboration with CCN Technologies, a leading company in the clean tech sector, a series of tests was recently completed. The evaluation of these tests should confirm the possibility of achieving a significant increase in the nitrogen content of Grower. If successful, this would provide a unique competitive advantage. What else should we know about EARTHRENEW? An important step for EARTHRENEW was its admission to trading on the otcqb in February of this year. Key driver, the company's CEO, welcomed this step with the following words. Trading under the new OTC symbol VVIVF allows us to easily serve US-based investors who are interested in becoming part of the EARTHRENEW journey. This is a key step in our ability to share our story with a broader audience and to grow our investor base. EARTHRENEW provides an opportunity to participate in a company that is finding new and innovative ways to address the problem of soil health by offering fertilizer products that build back soil quality to enhance biodiversity. You see, healthy soil is a contributor in the global initiative to capture carbon. Well, so much for the CEO's statement. The DTC approval for the electronic settlement of the company's ordinary shares in the United States should also not go unmentioned. This will make many things easier in the future. For startups like EARTHRENEW, whose turnover is still quite manageable, the hunt for investment money to cover development costs is part of everyday business. In October 2020, the company was able to conclude a corresponding contract with Illumina. The amount of investment made by Illumina is $10 million. Illumina is a subsidiary of the New York-based private equity firm Illumina Partners LLC. In explaining the agreement, Adi Namani of Illumina stressed that interest in sustainable agriculture is at an all-time high, but that most people still have the idea that sustainable agriculture has to be expensive. Namani explained that one of the main reasons for his company's investment in EARTHRENEW is that EARTHRENEW's innovative business model proves that sustainable agriculture can be profitable and market-driven. This $10 million puts EARTHRENEW in a position to make meaningful acquisitions in 2021. The first acquisition target of EARTHRENEW on EARTHRENEW's menu is replenish nutrients. The letter of intent for a mutually agreed takeover was signed in December 2020. The two companies complement each other perfectly. EARTHRENEW will benefit from replenish nutrients, marketing and distribution capabilities with access to a larger customer base, including in North Dakota and Montana. Well, with all that said, what are the risks? Well, you see, for a young company with such a low market capitalization, it must always be expected that the company will get into financial difficulties and disappear completely from the market. It is also possible that the business model will not work. There can be many reasons for this, regardless of the influence of the company. The result remains the same. The company disappears from the market. Investing in a startup, especially a penny stock, is a high-risk bet with an uncertain outcome. Every investor should be aware of this. But these are risks that apply in principle to all startups and to penny stocks anyway. So, as far as the competence and enthusiasm of management are concerned, EARTHRENEW is well positioned and the financial background is also right. But the market in which the company operates is only just emerging and no one can predict whether it will develop as expected, not to mention political or macroeconomic upheavals. So, can an investment in EARTHRENEW make sense despite the risk? At the moment, the company's products are only used by a few organic and traditional farmers in the USA and Canada. But EARTHRENEW is well on its way to becoming the world's leading supplier of organic fertilizer in an ecologically changing industry. And this will not happen sometime in the distant future, but according to the company, within the next few years. With its patented and innovative technology and competent management, the company holds all the aces to achieve this goal. Investors who think about 3 years have a unique opportunity to be part of a future success story from the very beginning. And don't forget, should the company develop as forecast, we have a multiple 100-bagger in our portfolio. Now, let's look at the chart. This is the weekly chart and currently is in Canadian dollars. Since the formation of a double bottom in April 2019 and September 2019, the market has been moving in a nice upward trend. The ideal entry price is in the range of approximately 0.40. But because we are talking about a long-term investment, the current price is also suitable for an initial or partial entry. As always, we recommend quartering the entire investment size in order to be able to buy into the market piece by piece over a longer period of time. This way, you will remain flexible even in this event of strong price fluctuation. One last word. As I mentioned, the share was released for trading on the US Stock Exchange just 2 weeks ago. There may be problems buying the stock outside Canada at this time. We have heard from several subscribers that they are having difficulty purchasing the share through their broker. We at Stock Screener Island can confirm the problem. Our broker, Interactive Brokers, currently only accepts close-only transactions, but we are sure that the problems are only temporary. Please share your experiences with the company as a comment. Well, so much for the EARTHRENEW company. Have fun and good luck with your investment. Listener man, if this video has brought you any intellectual added value, please leave a comment. We are also happy to answer any criticisms or suggestions. Subscribe to our channel and benefit from our knowledge and experience on the way to your financial independence. Yeah, man.